If you have forgotten your password for your locked notebooks in the Goodnotes app, do not panic yet. There is still possibility to recover them, and here are the steps on how you can do it. You can identify the notebooks that are locked in the Goodnotes app by checking the cover thumbnail. If this is blurred and has this lock icon, then this notebook is locked and you need a password to access and open it. If you have forgotten the password, the first step you need to do is to make sure to retry 3 possible passwords to activate the password hint feature. This only activates after 3 attempts if you have added some info during the password setup process. If this is available, hopefully it can help you remember the password you have set up previously. If the password hint isn't helping and you just can't remember the password, the only possible way you can recover the notebooks is if you have set up the Face ID or Touch ID. To check if you did, in the library view, go to the settings, then document privacy. Here you will see if you have turned on the Face ID or Touch ID feature, and if you did, that means you can recover your locked notebooks. So to access the locked notebooks using the Face ID or Touch ID, open the notebook as usual, and if the Touch ID or Face ID is not automatically activated, tap the icon on the right. Once you have accessed the locked notebook and you want to create a copy that does not have any password, go to the library view again, and beside the name of the notebook, tap the downward arrow icon and select duplicate. Then just wait until the duplicate is created. So that is how you can recover your locked Goodnotes notebooks, and if the Face ID or Touch ID feature was not turned on and you do not remember the password you have set up, unfortunately you cannot recover all your locked notebooks. Unless Goodnotes have added a new way after this video is uploaded, then I will create a new video to demonstrate that. So this is why it is important to set up the password protection feature of the Goodnotes app properly, and if you are not confident on how to do it or you want to know how to set it up properly, check this video out, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And this is Kazel, and until next time, bye!